Utien Pack Company Limited specializes in developing and manufacturing packaging machinery. Our company is recognized as the key player in thermoforming technology and vacuum packaging machinery in China. Our global sales extend throughout Europe, USA, and Asia-Pacific regions. Currently, we are further expanding into our local market as China commerce develops from a labor-intensive to a more automated, professional industry. With the latest research and quality technology, Utien Pack is able to offer complete inline packing solutions, including thermoforming, multi-head weighing, and liquid filling systems, with sealing and Utien patented die cutting stations. All thermoforming machinery is developed with vacuum, gas flash, and printing options. Our fully integrated PLC programs allow total coordination for all operations. Utien Pack supplies complete after-sale service to local and overseas enterprises. Our 1-year guarantee offers complete protection for all machinery and parts. We have been honored to be a member in constituting the Thermoforming Machinery Unit of Chinese National Standards. Our goal is to continue to research and develop to the highest standard machines that meet our customers' increasing requirements in terms of volume, safety, and technical performance. We welcome all local and overseas inquiries and shall endeavor to respond with detailed and competitive quotations that will encourage our future progress together.